Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect an N8n form to your website. This is an incredibly useful skill if you want to capture form submissions directly through N8n workflows, allowing you to automate actions like sending emails, storing data, or triggering notifications whenever someone fills out a form on your site. First, head over to n8n.io in your browser and type in your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Workflow button. This will take you into the workflow editor where you'll build your form connection. You'll now be directed to your N8n workflow editor. Here you'll be presented with two ways to create a workflow. You can either build it manually, which is the Add First Step option, or you can choose to build with AI. For our purposes today, we're going to go with the manual approach, as it gives us more control and clarity over each step of the process. To connect an N8n form to your website, click on Add First Step from your editor screen. A right side panel will appear, showing you a list of available actions and triggers. From this list, click on Form Submission. This trigger is specifically designed to capture data whenever someone submits a form, making it the perfect starting point for our workflow. An on-form submission parameters window will now appear. The process from here is pretty straightforward. Look for the form's URL section within this window. You'll see an option labeled Production URL. This is the link that contains your live form. Simply click on it to reveal the full URL, then copy this link. This is the key element you'll use to connect the form to your website. Now you have two main options for adding this form to your site. You can add it as an embeddable element directly within your website editor, which will display the form inline on your page. Alternatively, you can use the link to function and use it as a clickable link that opens the form on a separate web page. Either method works perfectly depending on your design preference and how you want your visitors to interact with the form. Once your form is linked or embedded, you'll need to fill in a few essential details. Start by entering a form title in the form title field. This is what your visitors will see at the top of the form, so make it clear and descriptive. Next, add a form description that explains what the form is for or what information you're collecting. This helps set expectations and improves user experience. Finally, add your form elements. These are the individual fields like name, email, message, or any other data you want to collect from your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully connected your N8n form to your website, and any submissions will now trigger your workflow in N8n. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.